Yeah, I know, I'm in the dark. But anyway, this video is for that girl that has the same joystick as I do, that little round UFO looking thing with the yellow button. What you gotta remember, okay, I've had mine upgraded because I was trying to work with some robotics, and the joystick that I got in 2012 didn't work well with the robotics, so I had to have, it's the same joystick, but it's an upgraded version. So anyway, dear user, I saw the video that you did, and you're almost there. The problem that you were having is that you were not doing the joystick part accurately. You were going forward, back and forth, you were pretty excited on that joystick, getting pissed off, I'm sure. But I'm telling you, after you power on your chair, the middle yellow button, and again, it depends on the rotation of your joystick. I know that yours are all lined up on the left-hand side. I've got mine lined up below the joystick across the bottom, so I can still refer to left, middle, and right. You are top, middle, down, or bottom. So, once you power on, you hit the bottom yellow button, which I saw you do, and you use your joystick to select the drive mode, which is where that first red light is. And you know that every time you pull the joystick to the left, not forward, not right, not down, not all over the place, but directly left, it will cycle through your programming modes. That little red light changes position. And then what you got to do, okay, you got to, once you select whether you want that red light in the first spot, second, third, or fourth, once you get that little red light where you want it, turn the bottom yellow button off. So you get your red program button at the top in position 1, 2, 3, or 4. And then where you got your power button and your bottom button, those two little lights should both now be green after you turned off the select mode. Okay, so at that point, your little red light at the top should not move, okay? So you have your red light at the top, and then you got 2 green lights below your power button. In that state, it's safe to drive. Now the problem is, if you're, I guess because you're American, if your DME vendor did not do any pre-programming, whatever the factory settings are, that's what you're going to get. You, as a user, cannot make those changes without a programming dongle and the actual program. And if you can get your hands on both of those, then you can make your own programming changes in your drive settings. So that's what you gotta do. Power on, bottom yellow button, cycle with the joystick to the left until you get that little red light in the position that you want it. So you would know in advance what program setting, in what program mode. In my case, my first red light is my indoor drive mode. So I'm not going to be able to go maximum speed. And I have a secondary one for going outside. And I got a third one that I use for playing sports. So once you select whichever one you want, turn off the mode button, the bottom yellow one, so you get the 2 green lights, and then you're free to drive. If you're noticing that the drive performance has not changed, then yeah, you got to program that with the dongle in the program. Okay? I hope it makes sense. Good luck. I love it, but you know, it takes a technical mind to get a grip on it sometimes. I hope I helped. Bye.